Hey, you look like you're having so much fun! Uh-oh. Never apologize for dancing too much. You just need a stronger bracelet.
Yay!
And you can make your own with a 5-minute crafts bracelet making kit. There are so many cute charms, pendants, and beads you can choose from. This will survive any kind of adventure. You can stick to a certain color palette, a theme, or you can add everything randomly. You have all the freedom to follow your vision. What a great way to get your creative juices flowing! Now back to fun! Grab your kit from your local Walmart store or order it online.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're bleeding down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, cause I just wanna shout.